There is no denying that YouTube videos are valuable. However, some of them are very long and boring. Sometimes, we must summarize the videos or get their transcripts, especially for academic purposes. ChatGPT is useful for summarization. However, it is mainly a text-based chatbot. In this video, I will provide 3 proven methods for summarizing a YouTube video or any video with ChatGPT. I recommend you watch all the methods provided in this video. This will enable you to make informed decisions on which methods to use and when to use them. I would also love to hear from you about your preferred method. If any of the 3 methods I will provide is helpful, kindly comment "It works" in the comments section below. Let us get to it now. Hello intellects. Welcome back to Insights for You today. If this is your first time here, kindly subscribe and hit the notification bell for more helpful videos to help you achieve your academic goals quickly. Now, let us begin with the first method. Method 1. The first method is the conventional way. You can transcribe the video manually or use transcription tools like Nada and any free transcription tool online. Then, open ChatGPT and compose a clear and concise prompt for summarizing. For example, ask ChatGPT to summarize the key points and main arguments presented in the YouTube video HR Planning: How to Apply Human Resource Planning in Practice, in under 500 words. Then, paste the transcribed material into the chat box. You can specify your chosen summary format, such as bullet points or a short paragraph. Then watch ChatGPT do its magic. Method 2. The second method is with the use of ChatGPT File Uploader extension on Chrome. Go to Google and search for ChatGPT File Uploader. Choose this one. Then, add it to your browser. When added, go to the YouTube video. You will want to summarize and save the file to your computer as a web page or any format you desire. Now, we can move over to ChatGPT. You will see the little green Submit File icon here. Click on it and upload the saved YouTube video to ChatGPT. As the file is uploaded, you are likely to see ChatGPT give different responses about the video. Just ignore it until the file is uploaded completely. Then, provide the right prompt, as in the example I provided earlier. Method 3. The third method is fantastic and more effortless. You can go to Google to search and add this beautiful ChatGPT for YouTube Chrome extension. You will get this notification when the extension has been added to your extension. Move over to the YouTube video. The ChatGPT for YouTube extension will pop up. You can then ask it to summarize the video. The beautiful thing about it is that it can generate the full video transcript for you and for free. Look at this. Lovely. Alright, intellects, which of these methods will you go for? Kindly let me know in the comments section. If you have any questions, write them in the comments section, and I will reply as soon as possible. Kindly hit the like button and share the video. Thanks for watching. Bye.